लेबल पड़ेगा इंडिया, लेबल पड़ेगा इंडिया, लेबल पड़ेगा इंडिया.
Food that you are purchasing, and the shelf life of that food is, let's say, 6 months, but you know that substance cannot survive for the 6 months, so that means definitely they must be adding some of the preservative.
Especially we as teenagers, and most of us, since we are away from our homes, we are literally bound to eating these packaged foods.
So after listening to so many varied perspectives, I guess now I would add what happens if you didn't have the awareness about the same. So just as you are in hostels for like right now, I also spent a long time in a hostel, and because of, let's say, lack of money at that time and other resources, I somehow felt that, let's say, a 5 rupees or 10 rupees bread roll was cheaper than maybe spending a whole 30 rupees on a full meal. But how much that affects us over time and our relationship with food, all of those somehow tell us over time what we can save upon rather than thinking about these things in the short term. So I think Deepak sir told about what you can do, Zabi sir added on it, Shagun ma'am told you what to stay away from, and what I want you to tell all of you is that it's never too late to begin where you are starting right now. Now I feel I actually look at things more than MRP and expiry date as he suggested, and that is definitely making me feel better. So it's better to start someday than never, right?
तो एक बार पढ़ना, प्लस कुछ कंपनीज या इवन कुछ लोग, they add a lot of stuff which is really addictive too. For example, I have seen a lot of restaurant adding MSG in their food instead of the regular salt or something. And अगर तुम 10 दिन खाओगे, 11वें दिन तुम्हें क्रेविंग होगी. ना तो कभी अगर क्रेविंग क्यों हो रही किसी चीज की, तो सोचना कि कुछ मिला तो नहीं रहा है कोई इसमें. और in this capitalist world, you know who is the most powerful? Consumers. Government regulation लगाए ना लगाए, government action ले ना ले, consumers ने अगर consume करना बंद कर दिया, company will have to take it. और capitalism world में सबसे ज्यादा powerful consumer होते हैं, क्योंकि पैसा हम देंगे, वो तो लेने वाले हैं, देने वाला सबसे ज्यादा powerful होता है. If we stop purchasing, then they'll have to change. No matter government is taking any action against them or not. No matter if anyone is taking action against them or not. Even if we quietly stop purchasing something because of the nutritional fact or because of any compound that they are adding, which is injurious for our health, they'll have to change. Alright?
We just wanted to add a bit of awareness to your lifestyle, because it's going to be a self-reminder to all of us, including you students as well, that there is a need for us to be very, very careful about what we consume. And especially now that the branding has been done onto the food products in such a way that everything is being told it is healthy, it is 100% natural, all of those leaves and all of those symbols that are being shown on the products, we tend to believe that yes, it is going to be healthy for us. I'll just give you a quick example. All of us know that the Coke that we would try to consume with food, 100% it is not going to be healthy. And if at all there is somebody who's going to replace that Pepsi bottle or Coca-Cola bottle with a Sprite or Limca, we tend to believe that it is not going to be as bad as Coke. It is going to be at least bit of not that dangerous. We see that it is going to be transparent kind of a liquid, so maybe some lemon, orange, something is added there, so obviously it is going to be healthy. That is not the case. So that is the kind of revolution that Mr. Food Pharma is trying to bring. Like I said, we can't do anything for him. He is not asking for any funds from us. The only thing that we are trying to do is, being the new age educational institution, PWIOI, if he is going to be seeing this type of an initiative that is being done inside the four walls of the classroom, if it is going to add 0.001% of motivation to him to continue the work that he is trying to do, I think it is going to be making justice to the amount of time that you and I are spending speaking about this. So once again, I would like to thank all of you for your participation.